I'm on a full week of the literal worst cough. I thought the sickness was the bad part, the not breathing, but now I think the after effects of this cough. What are the remedies to fix a cough? I have done the medicine, I've done allergies, I've done cough drops, I've done Vicks. I literally feel like I have a collapsed lung. Like it sounds rough. I sound like a hack. Like it is disgusting. I'm about to do it on camera for you, but just imagine the nastiest of cough. Like I'm gasping for air. Like it's giving death. It's so loud. I can't fix it. I'll wake up doing it. Like I'll wake up out of my sleep. If you have a swear by all, fix your cough or just like soothe it, drop it, please, because this is, what is this?